Imagine this. You wake up in the very beautiful day. And then you decided to play some car parking multiplayer too. Very cool. And then this is our gameplay.
Oh, hell no, man. What the?
Since my phone is actually burning right now, despite using this old Samsung with Exynos and 6 GB of RAM and blah blah blah, and pushing 10 FPS on average, and it's actually really bad. So, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to fix this problem. Number 1. Adjust the graphics. This is a very easy peasy step for everyone to follow. With just one click, go to Settings, and go to Graphics, and click this tiny whiny low button. Well, at least you are finally getting the good amount of FPS now. If you're not happy with this step and losing all the graphics, don't worry. This second step is way better, and it's always worked. Number 2. First step, throw your old phone. Very cool. Second step, get a new phone. And your game will turn from this into this. Please subscribe.